Hi everyone, and hello to you that is watching this video. This is my 10th video, and this is actually with my 10th video, 10th episode. This is also the last room that I can show you before I have to start building again from scratch. But actually, like the last room on the ground floor, I changed the whole bathroom. With this, I'm going to change the whole room of the most of the room in the boys' room. This is a little toddler or the little boys' room, say about maybe 9, 10 years old, in that gaming stage. I just want to play games. So like his room is a real superhero Marvel character superhero room. So it will fit in by with his age. So I'm going to just start here. I'm actually going to change the walls, everything. I'm going to change here. This is actually also, like I said, with those promotion thing, we found the little Lego blocks inside when you buy the store. So I built this little shelf with the Lego blocks I had. And just this is a sticker book that I bought from superheroes, a coloring sticker book, activity book I bought, just because of all the superheroes. So I just put the stickers inside there to make it like a superhero stuff thing. This can actually open. I'm thinking of maybe that sword there against the wall there. I'm gonna want to put in here, or I want to make a Thor hammer and put it in here as maybe something special that is worth something. That's why it's behind the glass door. This actually is it's a box. It was a little box. My husband bought me a little taser, perfume sized taser, and was in this box, and the color was the perfect colors from the box. So I just took off the top and I made a little shelf, and I just put from that book, I just put a little picture behind of all the characters and put some more shelves in. So in here I'm going to put some books and like toy games and activities and video games and whatever else, but I still going to have to make to put it inside there. Got a little sister is visiting in his room. This is something I can't remember. Also, this is also one of those stuff I can't remember. I think, you know what? I think this was a little flashlight, but I like this the shape of it, and it's the depth, so I can use it either for his washing. I think it's too small for the washing, or maybe just for a dustbin. And I thought of this as a lid. It's like plastic. I don't know, but I'm still thinking of how I'm going to use that. But yeah, okay, so the sister is visiting. Look at my little round cushion I made of Captain America cushion. Just put some felt on it and a star like this shield, and there's a little round cushion. This cushion is also just little pom-poms that I just glue together and make a little cushion. And this is a little toy box. It's the same as with the the baby's room. It can also open. I just painted and put some stickers on it. This is almost also just a little jewelry bag. I just put it, make it full of beads. And there's a little, I just thought of like a little bench here by the window. Talking of, I'm gonna still have to finish the window, but I'm gonna make some new curtains because I didn't like the white. You see there, I actually used my sewing machine, but I don't like the white thread I used here, and it's actually I just fold it and paste it against the. I like this. This is also just I think it's popsicle stick, and then with stickers around. So I'm gonna keep this palmet, but I'm rather gonna make a seam and put a curtain through a wire to. Because I just fold it and iron it, and it's too short and I just don't like it. So on the wall here, this is actually for needles, pins. When you do needlework, I made like a Captain America shield. I think it came out quite cute, but actually I'm going to take that off. Maybe I will use it somewhere else, because I got some more of this, like this Wonder Woman. It's like a key ring. I got some more of that, and I'm going to put that against the wall like this. Here is Iron Man, just curing, but it's like a shield, so I'm going to put that against the wall. I've got the Superman. I'm going to, Superman. And there's the real Captain America one. That's why I said I'm going to take that one off and rather put this one there. I like this one more, Captain America. And then I've got this, the Infinite Power fist as well. I can't remember who this guy even is, because I'm not like really Avengers or superhero movie person, but I just thought, well, this little boy's room, obviously he's going to love superheroes. So yeah, I'm going to put that up against the wall rather. And then this is his little, well, I tried to make him a real gaming chair, but it's actually, it's well, for the Barbie scale it's fine, but for him it's just too big. I don't like it. It's just too big. This, I'm going to take this off here. It's too big. I think this was just the top of a old, like a cream bottle, squirting bottle I used, but it's just too big for this area here. And I think maybe I'm just gonna cut this chair small, leave it like that, just maybe cut that top part off just to make it a bit smaller. And anyhow, I'm going to change the whole the study table. I'm going to make a new study table as well, because I don't like this. Look just too cheap for me. I don't like this. I actually made it like this because I want to make a real computer for him with a computer box. So I wanted to put a computer box in here, but this is the study table is too big for him. I don't like this, so yeah, I'm gonna change that. Okay, this whole wall, I'm gonna put new wallpaper here. I'm thinking of making maybe the same as like here in the baby room, where with something underneath, like a wood grain, something underneath, and then something else on top. I'm gonna thinking of do the same here in this room. I can't do, I must just see, depends on what type of wallpaper I've got, because this wallpaper I used here was actually the last wallpaper in the old books that I could really use. So that's why there's like this map area thing on his on the walls. I thought it will fit, but every wall is actually something different because it was all the leftovers I had. This watch actually really works. I also bought it at a local Chinese shop with a Spider-Man in, and it even had the strap with Spider-Man, a silicone strap with Spider-Man on. I used that on this little bed lamp I made for him that actually works. If I can just pull the string, there you go. So also bed lamp works. It's just a ping pong ball. I painted with Q-Tex sponge and then draw a little spider web on it. So maybe I'm still going to keep this, I'm not sure. But yeah, and then there's a little bedside table. It's actually a little like a shot glass cup from one or other bottle you got, so it was the right color and the right height, and I just put a round lid on it, and with there's the Captain America sticker that fit perfectly, also from that activity book I had. So there's this bedside table. Okay, it's cupboard. That's how I think. I don't like the blue and the red theme here anymore. I've actually changed this whole room around so much because, okay, this is a little bed. I think I must just take this little, gets too full here now, all this stuff here. Let's just move it around a bit. This is his bed. This is actually from a placemat that I use here on the back. here, and also here his bedding is like the fitted sheet and the flat sheet and the pillows. This I actually, like you can see, I made this with my sewing machine, so it looks much neater than the glue thing. I don't like the glue. So this is actually a real very small button. It's like for scrapbooking. So I bought this and I put it in there. There was a piece of cloth. I thought the colors is perfect. So for a blanket for his bed. And actually in this comforter or duvet I made for him, I put felt on the inside, but now it's too thick. It doesn't, that's why it looks too big for me. So I'm going to make a new one. Now, luckily I still have of this material left because I like this. This is actually white. I just make it blue just to fit in by the room. But I'm going to make a new one then with nothing on the inside, just plain. And actually this bed, on the other side of the bed, it's got a little drawer that you can pull out and put blankets. This was a little cheese box, so I made this bed from a little cheese box. So the drawer you can put stuff inside, but I don't know if the bed is too big. See, like this, it doesn't look so bad like this. I think maybe it's this thing that makes it look too big. I don't know. So yeah, this is also just a little racket make. This all comes from those. I thought of making this like a painted theme background. It comes from those activity books. So I put the pictures about here and the stickers. I actually like this. So maybe I'm going to try and keep this piece there and put it somewhere else, maybe behind this. Wherever I decide now to put his study table where he's going to play his game, maybe put it behind there. I don't know yet, but yeah, I'm going to change this room. Okay, he's got a carpet, like actually all this carpets, and even in the baby room carpet, and by the carpets comes from a sample book, all the carpets here. And something I realized the other day when I made the video is, actually now I saw that the bed is actually too high, because look, his feet is in the air. So this bed is too high. So I'm going to have to take off the legs. It was cups I use. I'm going to just take off the legs here to make the bed lower, because the bed is just too high. So it's not right. So I'm going to change that. And then, yeah, I make a measurement fold here with the whole house. So this is not in line. As you can see, this is too big. It's hanging over here. It's too big. So actually that's why I'm going to change this. I'm going to have to cut a piece off here and take off this wall and cut it. So this room is going to be a bit smaller now, about 2 centimeters smaller. But yeah, this must be in a straight line, because on this side here is what's going on the ground floor here by the store. Here is going to be the patio, lapa area, barbecue area. And then on top is going to be the teenagers' room. So actually, as you can see, the floor here, so there's going to be the whole way through to a bathroom. Yeah, bathroom, and then the teenagers' room next to that. And then obviously the staircase is going. I'm still have to figure out how I'm going to do the staircase, because I want to make the staircase you can take it out, so it can't, otherwise it's going to be in front of like the bathroom there and even underneath. So but there needs to be a staircase, so I still have to figure out the way I'm going to make the staircase so I can take it out. But yeah, so this side's going to be the daughter's room, and then on top of her room, so yeah, it's going to be 3 stories, is going to be the guest bedroom. I'm going to make a guest bedroom on top here, by the teenager's room, guest bedroom with a laundry. And then on top of here, my plan is, I don't know if this area is going to be big enough, is going to be where the, like little duplex flat house, something, for my other family that is still waiting for their house, is going to be there. It's just going to be a living room with a kitchenette area. They're not going to have a dining room because there's not going to be space, and maybe a bathroom, and I'm going to try to fit in 3 bedrooms, maybe just 1 bathroom and 3 bedrooms, I don't know. But yeah, I'm going to put that on top of there because I have to put this against this wall here. So I can't make this house too long, so I can't really put something next to it. And even though if I wanted to, I would rather build a whole house for another new family and just make this whole wall here a Barbie doll street, for the instance. So yeah, so oh yeah, and this is something I also made. It's like this is for a cover for it was just razor blades, but it's see-through. The blue you can see there on the side, and then I put this little with duct tape, little Batman sticker on it. So I want to put fairy lights inside of it. And oh, now it fell down. I must get it before this little. Where is she? There, she's sleeping. For that little munchkin is getting it, because if she gets it, she will chew it up. And there's my old lady, my 2 shadows, as always with their mummy. Okay, so yeah, this is everything now. So this is the, like I said, this is the whole house, all the rooms. So I showed you everything. I've changed a lot of down here. It's finished. Okay, now it's shambles again because I put all the stuff here. But at least the ground floor here is finished. Well, not finished because I still want to do small little things, like I want to make picture frames with real photos of the family. And my husband gave me the idea to actually make photo frames and put my own grandchildren in the frames in the house. So yeah, maybe I will do that at least, as well as maybe family members of them. I don't know, because I don't compare my family with the family here. So please don't even think that this family is about my family. It's not, because we have 5 children in the first place. They only have 3 children. There's something else you know about me now. And I mean, who's the other family then? So yeah, it's just coincidental because my husband's is dark and got dark hair, and I got dark hair, but it's not really pleased. Even though the names, nothing is even, it's not my family I'm building here. This is just something I wanted to do. I don't even think, well, since the beginning I said it's not even for the grandchildren that I'm actually building this. I always telling maybe how the grandchildren this, but now that this house is so nice, I don't think even I want them to play with this house. They just can look. But yeah, this is now all the rooms finished now. Now I have to start from scratch again. To strengthen the muscles of your heart, the best exercise is lifting someone else's spirit whenever you can. Bye.